What is up, guys? Today we're joined by
Leon.
and we're going to be reviewing the new update. Let's go outside the stump and look around. And I already see something new. Look right there. Stash. Wait, we have to type in the password. My password is... So, stash?
I typed in a random password.
Huh. I wonder if I can... Huh?
Oh, these are stuff you can unlock? Wait, I just unlocked the back.
So, I can stash my items. So, grab an item. Grab an item that you want to stash. I'll grab this crowbar. And then we dunk it in here. And
to unlock it, you have to do that.
And then it's in there. Also, I think I can... Look, I got a crowbar in my hand now because I placed it in my hand. I'm going to place it in my other hand. Wait, what if I put it on my head? Wait, do I have a crowbar somewhere now?
Yeah, it's on your back.
What? Whoa! Wait, could I always put it there?
Wait, what if I use a random thing? Like, what if I...
So we can, like, put it... I thought this was just a replacement for the shop, but no, we can do it whenever we want. I don't have any hip things though, so that doesn't work. But I have a backpack. Yo, I got a special backpack! I got a free special backpack!
Wait, how did you get that though?
Look, so, type in your password. Then, there should be a backpack somewhere, like, should be there.
Yeah.
My backpack. Now drag it to your hand. Drag it to your hand. In the corner.
Which button do I do? Oh, there.
Hold it. Then drag it to your hand, and then walk away from the pillow. Boom, you got a backpack.
Oh, that's sick.
Try putting it on your back.
The thing is,
Try putting it on your backpack.
Oh, and look at my money. Look at my money.
Did you... You're in a tough situation, my guy. I still got 100,000. Whoa, let me type in my... Anyway.
Wait, I put something in here and it won't come out.
I can eject an item. What if I eject this crowbar? Yo, it ejected it. Did you buy that? Well.
Okay, I can take a picture now.
Let's see.
It looks like a face.
Okay, follow me. Oh.
You got two.
My guess was two. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a crowbar.
2,000.
I'm gonna go grab a crowbar. I'm gonna go.
No, but I have a really good idea. Can I tell you the good idea?
Me, sure.
Okay, so it's so we each get a teleport thing. We each so like.
It does have a new layout.
Already? It's been a day.
Well, they just relay it, so it hasn't even been a day. We just got because they got to make it seem like it's real mine, so they change it.
Well, I guess so.
No danger. Look, it says no danger. That means there's no danger in here.
I just want to mine the purple crystals.
Yeah, let's go find some purple crystals to mine.
I know where they are actually. Well, not this way then.
We gotta find our way around. Let's rope. Did you see
Yeah,
that
this
too?
one. What?
That wasn't that didn't look like a mimic. It's a spider attached to him with a mimic attached to it.
Good. Get him?
Let's not go this way.
Yay, look at what purple crystals there are over here. Yeah, we're gonna fight Mrs. But first... Oh, Jesus Christ.
Jesus. Get this chicken off me. Oh no, that's just a mimic. Let me see your watch.
What do we get?
Can I see your watch?
Yeah.
Just want to see your watch.
Lego. Okay, here.
It's frozen!
Huh?
I killed it.
When you...
We gotta check some stuff out here.
How come I can still get it in the time's right?
Oh, I thought I went out of bounds for a second. No, it's just a glitchy area.
Holy... What...
Oh, I think we
You
just
didn't
caused something to unlock. Your head is missing. Head
Yeah,
out of
your
here.
head was missing.
In that
Wait, so are you
corner,
recording?
we have Liam. And in this corner, we have me. Ready,
3.
set, box. Ah! I'm gonna run. Yeah, I sent them out the map. Yeah, Liam, I got a surprise for you. Look,
Wait, what'd you say?
presents.
It what?
Here, open this one
ooh.
first. Open this one first. I got you hot gloves.
Oh, I've always wanted this.
Now open this middle one. It's some food for you. Try it.
Oh.
Now open this one.